Sylvester. He's been going crazy with this toy. Of course, he's tired as soon as I start the camera. Well, he was really having fun with it. Let's see if he'll play with this again. He's going crazy for this, too. Oh, did you wear yourself all out? Hmm? I think it's safe to say Sylvester likes balls. How about that one? Nope, he really likes that one. Hello, Ebony. Hello, baby. You had your time out. He was doing a pretty good game of soccer with the big yellow ball over there when I first tossed it to him. Hello, Ebony. What's the matter, baby? You got your little mouse in there to play with? Somewhere. What'd you do with it? What'd you do with your little mouse? There it is. Okay, I don't want this to get too long.